Welcome to Gentle Journaling. I'm going to make a page in my art journal and also share some thoughts that from our community, because I asked, what does gentle journaling mean to you? Let me share those. Oh, and where's Freddie? Well, he is in a more shady part of the house. Number one, circles. Oh, you might have your own ideas, but we always quite like circles, don't we? Sort of a little bit of continuity. They seem to flow, don't they? Maria shared with us, whether it's gentle journaling, stitching, gardening, painting, whatever it is, it's all about restoring my well-being and creating a safe place to freely play without judgment. Our journals can provide a safe place to shelter from the challenges in life. Sylvia said, gentle journaling to her is like playing with your craft supplies like a kid without caring of the end result, just enjoying purely the creative process. There you go. Playing with greens. Take a sip of tea as well. Delicious. Number two, flowers. Now you find a way that's good for you to, we're calling it gentle journaling, but it's gentle creating really, isn't it? We're not here to tell people how to create, are we? Dorothea shared with us, gentle journaling is creating peacefully and stress-free, creating as you go along and from the heart. Oh, thank you, Dorothea. Christina shared, she thought gentle journaling is just time to relax with a junk journal and do whatever you want to do. Oh, have a cup of tea. I've let it cool down quite a bit. Number three, splash. Now you don't have to if you don't want to splash. I quite enjoy splashing, and I think this dark colour will look nice with a bit of splashing. So let's get some white here. I think that might just lift it. So it's got dark all of a sudden. Get my fan brush. I'll make sure it's clean. It's usually got gold on it. Or it has a bit. I could splash some gold actually. There we are. Water. I'm going to water this down a bit. Lovely. Do you know, they make great palettes, these composition notebooks. Oh, right, get ready to splash. Let's pop a bit of an apron on here. Yeah, my twister apron. Ah, lovely. Protect my little top to splash. Oh, there we are. I think the brush was too loaded. Oh, lovely. Ah, delish, delish. Oh, wonderful. Oh, goodness. Ooh, too much fun. Oh, delicious. Jean said gentle journaling means gluing creatively to her. Kind of grab and glue whatever is within reach, completely stress-free, enjoying yourself, making pleasing shapes, amusing bits, doodling to fill in and then tie it together with a cute or absurd phrase. Jean says she tends to work quickly so she doesn't agonise over decisions. That's helpful. I bet other people find that they do that. Oh, that's helpful. Thank you, Jean. Ah, this has been lovely to spend this time with you. Thank you so much. And thank you to the community for sharing their thoughts on what gentle journaling means to them. It's lovely to feel part of a community, isn't it? Shall we? Oh, hold on. Flo, have you been creating? Oh, I bet she has. She's always busy. Oh, this is your page before you've made it small enough. I think it's for your Grumpy Cat journal. Let's have a look. Oh, I love that. Look at that. You've painted a little cat in the sunglasses. Oh, that's lovely, Flo. I love that. Oh, very creative, Flo. Snowy the Mouse has a message for us. You are not alone. The candle is just a little bit of time for us to think about people that are on our hearts, or just to have that little bit of quiet time, isn't it? Take care, everyone. Bye. Can you hear Freddie in the background? He doesn't want us to forget him. Let's go and find him, shall we? You've come in now, have you? Oh, you're sitting down. He's a good boy, aren't you? There you go. Nice. It was a bit hot on your chair, wasn't it, Freddie? Thank you for waiting. We're going to go and find a cool shady spot now, aren't we? Here you go. Nice. Little Freddie's having his snack. I love these tiles here in the courtyard, and we're having coffee and cherry cake.